Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we discuss on share market strategies. There are many different strategies for investing in the stock market, and the best approach will depend on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and individual circumstances. Here are some popular strategies that investors use. Value investing. This involves buying stocks that are undervalued by the market based on various metrics such as price-to-earnings ratio, price-to-book ratio, or dividend yield. The idea is to buy stocks that are trading below their intrinsic value and hold them until the market recognizes their true worth. Growth investing. This involves investing in companies that are expected to experience rapid earnings growth in the future. Growth stocks typically have high P/E ratios and may not pay dividends, but investors are betting on the company's potential for future earnings growth. Index investing. This involves investing in a basket of stocks that track a market index, such as the S&P 500. This strategy provides exposure to the overall stock market and is less risky than investing in individual stocks. Dividend investing. This involves investing in companies that pay high dividends to shareholders. This strategy is popular among income-seeking investors who want a steady stream of cash flow. Momentum investing. This involves buying stocks that have recently performed well in the market and selling stocks that have performed poorly. This strategy relies on the idea that stocks that have recently done well will continue to perform well in the short term. Contrarian investing. This involves buying stocks that are currently out of favor with the market or have been beaten down due to temporary setbacks. The idea is to buy low and sell high once the market recognizes the value of the stock. Technical analysis. This involves using charts and technical indicators to identify patterns in stock price movements and make investment decisions based on those patterns. It's important to note that no single strategy is foolproof, and all investments come with some degree of risk. It's also important to have a well-diversified portfolio that includes a mix of different strategies to help mitigate risk. Thanks for watching our video. Meet you in next video with new topic.